Hi, I'm Jeff Potter, author of Cooking for Geeks. Today I'm going to show you a simple technique for roasting peppers. Take your pepper, and using a pair of metal tongs, you want to make sure that they're not tipped in plastic. Drop the pepper on top of a burner running on high. And we're basically just going to roast it directly on the flame. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and what you want to do is just kind of keep an eye on it to make sure it's not catching on fire or anything crazy. As it roasts, you can pick it up, take a look at it, and just see how it's doing. So after it looks like it's roasted pretty much on all sides and you're happy with the way it looks, take a towel and pretty much just drop the pepper onto the towel. And you can use the towel to rub off the very outer bit, and it'll just kind of flake right off. It's really that easy. And for those of you that have an electric stove, I came up with a clever trick that uses a toaster to actually get the same result. We're going to take our pepper and actually roast it in a toaster. So to start, you need to get this pepper into a flat sheet, think like a piece of bread, that you can actually drop in. To do this, take the pepper, take your knife, slice the top off, slice the other bit off, and then just do one cut like this, and your pepper should come out relatively flat. Pull out the middle bit of the pepper, and you can pull off these ribs as well. And then maybe, in this case, I'm going to cut it in half again, just so that it lays a little more flat. And if you need to scrunch it down a little bit, go for it. And then just drop it into your toaster, just like it's a piece of bread, and turn it on. I have this set to medium, but you should hang out over your toaster, just kind of keep an eye on it. Obviously it's not designed to do this, but it should work. And it'll take a couple of minutes to get to that point where it's nice and toasted. Let's take a look at how our pepper is doing in the toaster. Use a pair of tongs, being careful not to hit any of the wires inside. There's one. And there's the second. Now, it's not quite as good, granted, as what you would get off of a burner, but still it'll work in a pinch. And just as with the other one, you can take a towel and rub off the bits that have actually burned. And it smells really good. It's got that nice roasted pepper smell, which you probably can't smell, but it's good.